Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are looking upward to explore one of the most innovative ways to bring nature into your home: the hanging vertical garden. Simply put, a hanging vertical garden is a method of growing plants on a suspended vertical surface or structure, rather than in the ground or on a flat shelf. Unlike traditional container gardens that sit on the floor, these systems use wall-mounted planters, suspended tiers of pots, or pockets made of felt and fabric that hang from hooks or frames. It is essentially a living wall that defies gravity, allowing you to utilize the vertical volume of your home or balcony. Whether it's a series of macrame plant hangers or a sophisticated modular hydroponic system, the core concept is about maximizing verticality to create a lush, green tapestry in spaces where floor area is at a premium. The advantages of installing a hanging vertical garden extend far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost, they are the ultimate space savers, making them perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone with a small patio. By moving your greenery to the walls, you free up floor space for furniture and movement, while still enjoying a dense forest feel. Environmentally, these living walls act as natural air purifiers, filtering out indoor toxins and releasing fresh oxygen right where you breathe. They also provide excellent thermal insulation and sound dampening. A thick wall of plants can actually help keep your room cooler in the summer and reduce the echo in a minimalist space. Furthermore, there is a significant psychological boost. Studies show that being surrounded by vertical greenery reduces stress levels and increases productivity, turning a stressful home office into a serene sanctuary. Decorating a hanging vertical garden is an art form that involves balancing texture, color, and structure. To make your garden look truly professional, start by considering the frame or the backing of your garden. Using natural wood slats or sleek metallic grids can set a specific design tone, from rustic to modern industrial. You can create visual interest by mixing different pot styles, such as terracotta for a Mediterranean vibe or geometric ceramic pots for a contemporary look. Don't be afraid to play with heights. Staggering your plants at different levels creates a sense of depth and movement. Lighting also plays a huge role. Adding small LED spotlights or weaving fairy lights through the foliage can transform your vertical garden into a dramatic focal point at night. Finally, consider the spill effect. Placing trailing plants at the top so they drape over the pots below creates a seamless, lush curtain of green that hides the hardware and looks incredibly high-end. Choosing the right plants is the secret to a thriving and beautiful vertical display. You want a mix of thrillers, fillers, and spillers to ensure full coverage. For the spillers, the pothose, devil's ivy, and heartleaf philodendron are unbeatable due to their fast growth and hardy nature. They will quickly create those long, elegant vines that every vertical garden needs. For a pop of color and unique texture, the thrillers like the bird's nest fern or bromeliads offer striking shapes and vibrant hues that stand out against a green background. If your garden is indoors with lower light, ZZ plants and snake plants are incredibly resilient fillers. For those looking for a functional garden, many herbs like mint, thyme, and trailing rosemary thrive in hanging pockets, providing a fresh scent and kitchen-ready ingredients. Succulents such as the string of pearls or donkey's tail are also fantastic choices for sunny spots, offering a sophisticated, sculptural look with very little water maintenance. Building a hanging vertical garden is one of the most rewarding DIY projects you can undertake. It allows you to express your creativity while bringing the undeniable peace of the outdoors inside. Whether you start with a single hanging vine or commit to a full-scale living wall, the transformation of your living space will be immediate. Remember, gardening is a journey of trial and error, so don't be afraid to swap plants out as they grow or as the seasons change. Your walls are a blank canvas, and nature is the most beautiful paint you can use. If you found these vertical gardening tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more green inspiration. We would love to hear from you. Which plant are you planning to hang on your wall first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to beautify your home and garden. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.